So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. If you don't see Startup Settings here, you want to click on SIEM Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Startup Settings, and then click on Restart. And now once you're on this, you want to enable safe mode with networking. So you want to click on either 5 or F5 on your keyboard. Wait for this to load, which will now take us to here. Now once you're on this, there are 2 things that we could try. So for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand Display Adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Driver. If it lets you, you want to click on Rollback Driver. You want to roll back your graphics card driver update and then see if that fixes your problem. Once you roll back your driver update, you just want to restart your safe mode computer, which will then take you back into normal Windows. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to open up any web browser in safe mode. You want to type in DDU. Click on Enter. You want to find the display driver uninstaller, guru3d.com. There's going to be a link to it down below in the description. And now once you find it, you want to click on it. Now once we're here, we're just going to scroll down. We're just going to get the download for it. It's now going to start downloading. Now once that's been downloaded, you want to right click on it and then click on Show in Folder. And now once we have this in our Downloads folder, you just want to right click on it and then click on Extract All. And then click on Extract. And now this will come up. You want to double click on this, DDU, and then click on Extract again. We should now be seeing this final folder right here. You want to double click on it. And now once you have this, you want to double click on Display Driver Uninstaller. And now this will come up. Now once you're on this, you want to click on OK after you read all of this. It's now going to be showing us some options right here. We don't need to change anything, so we can just close out of this. However, if you do want to change anything, then you can. But for me, I'm just going to keep it on the default. We're now going to close out of this. And now once we're here, you want to select your device type. For me, it's going to be GPU. Select device. I'm just going to do NVIDIA. If you're using AMD or Intel, you can choose that. And you want to select Clean and Restart. Wait for this to load. It's now going to run this. And it's now going to restart your computer. Wait for this to load. It's going to take us back into Windows. And we should now be back on Windows, and then this should now fix your problem.